£427 worth of Estée Lauder for just £90. Every year Estee Lauder launches their blockbuster set. Is it a luxury must-have or is it just pretty packaging? I'm going to open it all up, try it all out so you can decide. So this is the amazing deal that Estee Lauder have on at the moment. If you spend just £50, you can get this whole box, which is worth £427 for £90. That seemed like incredible value to me, and so I have it here. We are unboxing it, we are trying on the makeup products, and we're going to see, is it worth it? So where did my £50 go in order to get the box? I decided to make sure that with the products in the box and the 2 additional items I was going to buy for my £50, that I would have a full face of Estee Lauder. So the first thing that I bought was the absolute classic Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I bought that in shade 3W1 Tawny, so we're going to try that out in just a moment. And the other item that took my eye was this dual-ended eye pencil, and I have a small swatch here on my hand so you can see. Actually that's a swatch of the foundation as well, and then the 2 colours from this eye pencil here are also swatched on my hand. So that is where I invested my £50. Just these 2 items in order to get this whole incredible set for £90. So I have some unboxing footage as well, which I will try and include as we go along. But I am going to dive straight in and try out the makeup products. So I'm going to get going with this Double Wear Foundation. And then as we go along, I will introduce you to the other products in the set. I am going to apply this Double Wear Foundation with a damp sponge. I am trying a number of different methods of applying it at the moment, but for me, because I don't like it to look too obvious that I'm wearing a lot of foundation, basically I want it to look fairly natural. So it's my preference, therefore, to use a damp sponge, which I think gives the most natural and sort of inconspicuous finish. I'm trying out a new colour today. I'm moving a little bit towards warmer shades because for a long time I was buying 2N sort of neutral shades. And when I look at myself from a distance, I think actually they're a little bit too pale. So I'm trying out some slightly warmer shades now. So this is a bit of an experiment in shade selection as well right now. I really love this foundation. I actually have used it in the past. I haven't used it for a long time. But look how natural this is going on with the sponge. I'm fairly certain if you put it on with a brush, it would be looking a lot heavier, a lot denser than this. And maybe I'm losing a lot of the product in the sponge. Maybe that is part of the issue. Part of the reason it looks so natural is that actually not all of the product is going onto my face. But I'm kind of okay with that. Like, I would rather have a little bit too little than a little bit too much, if I'm honest. And like that, I've just added some more on my cheeks, so you can always go in and do a little bit more, can't you? That's looking really nice. I really like the finish of that. It's not remotely shiny. It's not deadeningly matte or heavy. I think that is looking wonderful, actually. Okay, so the first product we are going to look at from the set is the eyeshadow palette. So it comes in this really cute red and gold polka dot box. It says it's Estee Lauder Glam. It says it's a limited edition eyeshadow palette, and the colours on the back are Merry and Bright, Good Cheer, Pretty Pampered, Holiday Glee, Joyful Mayhem, Wild Anticipation, and Secret Surprise. So you will see there is definitely a Christmas theme at play with the red, the gold dots, the naming of the shades. And let's take a look inside. Really, really nice wearable mixture of kind of pinks and mauves and some neutral shades as well. And I think that is going to be really, really easy and wearable. I think I'm going to go for a slightly heavier eye today than I have been doing just lately. I really want to make the most of some of these darker shades. I think this one and this one are coming out a little bit darker. That one's more of a shimmer. And then we have these lighter, or these sort of highlightery shades just here. So I am going to go in a little bit heavier than usual because I really want to get the full benefit of some of these darker shades. So here we have the eye look I've gone for using this palette. I've used pretty much all of these shades actually. I've used this dark one along the line, and then I've gone over the main lid with this slightly warmer shade. I've gone around the edge and into the socket a little bit with this one. I've gone over the top of the lid with this one, and then I've used this as an inner eye highlighter. And so we've got a really, really nice set of colours that blend and mix really well together here. And I'm also going to enhance the eye further with the eye pencil that I bought. The idea I had with this one is to tight line the upper lid with this one, and to try tight lining with this lighter shade here. Not something I've done before, but something I'm interested in trying. So let's go ahead and try that out. Next up to complete our eye look is this Sumptuous Extreme mascara that came in the box, and this is in the colour black. I don't know about you, but I'm really liking this eye look. I'm pretty impressed with the colours and the way that everything has gone on. I think they're looking really nice. Okay, next up we have a blush. We have this, again looking very festive in red and gold polka dots, and this is called Multi-Use Blush Stick, and it is in the colour Dusty Rose. Let's just swatch that on our hands before we go in directly with it. Really nice shade actually, really muted, dust, like it says, Dusty Rose colour. I'm actually going to go straight in on my cheeks. I'm going to be cautious, but I think it's such a nice colour. It'd be nice just to go straight in. Just have to figure out where we want to put it. The shades in this set are really lovely, aren't they? Really lovely pink, muted, dusty colours. Absolutely perfect for my complexion. And actually really easy to apply. What do you think so far? So Estée Lauder has given us a bit of a treat in this set. There are actually 2 lipsticks, and this appears to be a lip gloss or something. Yeah, limited edition lip gloss in unwrapped. And then we have limited edition lipsticks in velvet ribbon and rosy ribbon. So let's swatch these and see which one we want to go with. Okay, let's swatch this gloss first of all. Running out of space on my hand. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So that is the gloss shade swatched, very nice looking gentle pink. And let's see, rosy ribbon. This is rosy ribbon here. So let's swatch this here on my wrist. That is rosy ribbon. But we also have velvet ribbon. Okay, let's swatch this one next to it. And that is velvet ribbon. They're actually very, very similar in colours, aren't they? There's not all that much difference there. Okay, let's go with this second one. This is velvet ribbon. And then what we might do is top over this with the gloss for a really nice glam finish. Oh, really going on nicely. Lots of pigment here. Oh, that's lovely. Look how nice that is. Really beautiful colour. Just hold up the other one against it to see how it compares. Perhaps this one's a little bit more muted, maybe? Very similar, but perhaps slightly less colourful. Okay, I am going to go over the top of this to be very extra and go over the top of this one with the gloss. Wow, look at that. Lovely. God, I am super impressed with these products. Absolutely amazing. What do you think of this makeup look? Would you replicate this look for yourself? I think it looks great. I'm really, really impressed. I just want to quickly show you the rest of the products that came in the set. Let's just run through everything so I don't miss anything out. So I bought this one. I bought the double wear foundation and I bought this double-ended eyeliner stick. In the set came this really, really beautiful wearable eyeshadow palette. Also in the set was this blush in Dusty Rose. Also in the set was the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara in black. And we had two, oh, I didn't see the dots on the lipsticks. We had 2 lipsticks in Velvet Ribbon and Rosy Ribbon. And then we had this lip gloss in Unwrapped. Very, very lovely and Christmas themed. So let us check and see what else is in the box, because there is some really amazing skincare products in here as well. And look at this amazing, beautiful vanity case that comes with all of those products. Okay, so if I flip down the lid, you can see the skincare. Still tons and tons of things in here for you to go through. We have the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream, which I am already a big fan of. This is something I use most evenings already. We also have the Advanced Night Repair. Again, this is something I already use most evenings. And also the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Cream, which I also already use nightly. They often do deals where you can get 3 of these products in some sort of value set together, so I'm a big fan of those. But some new products that I have never tried before are these. So new to me is the Advanced Night Cleansing Gelée with 15 amino acids. I guess this looks like it is a face wash. So it's a nighttime cleanser. Doesn't say anything about removing makeup though, so I'm not sure that it is a makeup one. I think it's more of a skincare cleansing product, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. It's a new one to me. And then we also have this intensive smoothing hand cream from the Re-Nutriv range, and let's have a look at this. Let me put it on the back of this hand. Okay, so this is our hand cream product here. Very lightly scented. And that, I think, is our lot. So what do you think? Do you think that was good value? £90 for all of these products? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I look forward to reading them, and watch out for my next video, which will be up very, very soon. Bye for now.